how we're, for lack of a better word, picking apart the landing page, regardless of what the product is at this point. And because there's just pattern matching. And what you're looking at is the big data.
Well, I mean, that is, you just summarized the whole of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It's pattern matching, right?
And I think
it's what humans have been doing for years. We just are training machines to do it better than us now.
Well, and you're 100% correct. We have been pattern matching from the time, I want to say we're about 1 to 3 months old is when we really begin to establish patterns as an infant. And it's those patterns that we begin to build upon and create our own levels of intelligence. But back to your point, artificial intelligence and machine learning, it's the same thing, except at a much more higher level of efficiency, and be able to see things and perceive things that our little linear minds aren't able to. So with that in mind, the pattern matching here, you're looking at the big data set, what people are doing. I wrote about this in Banking on Digital Growth, big data versus thick data. Big data is the what. Where might thick data, so smaller data set, more qualitative, not quantitative like what you're looking at, how do you blend the two together to where you have the big data set into what people are doing, the thick data set informs more of why people are doing what they're doing?
That's exactly right. So if you think about these, all these sort of large language models that have taken over the world, they start doing, sometimes they'll give you sort of counterintuitive explanations, and then you have to sort of dig in and attack it from first principles.
Yeah.
So let's just say we come up, we score this landing page, we tell you it's not working well, we'll tell you why it's not working well. You will still need the thick data. You'll still need the visual experience. If you're a marketer and you're being told this landing page doesn't work and you got to replace it with something that does work, you still have to go look at it yourself, experience yourself, put yourself in the shoes of that prospect. And then, we'll give you, hey, here's a landing page from another one of our customers, and this one is in the top, 5% of all landing pages. And then you look at the thick data from that experience and you immediately get it. I was like, yeah, okay, these are the problems I'm having. I got the sidewide navigation I got to get rid of. I've got these color schemes. I got these things that are going on. And this other landing page that works really well for a credit union that looks just like me, I have a completely different experience. I get there, it's crisp, it's tight. There's one thing to do, one call to action, click I'm in, and it works. And it's once you experience that thick data, then you can take it. And then when you get something back from the agency, you'll be able to say, yeah, this is exactly what we need to put in market, or, this is not going to do it because I have now that background of experience. So that's where the human factor comes in, being able to just process the experience, because at the end of the day, these landing pages are going to be for other humans to interact with.